Hello everyone, welcome to Any Knowledge. In this video we will discuss section C and section D, that is mathematics and logical reasoning part, from question number 61 to 100. Let's come to the first question. Question number 61. What is the number whose 12.5% is 64? Options are given: 516, 32, 528 and 512. Here option D is the correct answer. I will show you how to solve this question. You get 12.5 when you spend 100 rupees. When you spend 100 rupees, so you will get 1 when you spend 100 by 12.5. Now here the question is, when you will get 64, then you have to multiply into 64. Solve this equation and you will get the answer. Here 100, since here it is a point, so you can write 10 here. So here 125 into 64. Now you can cut 125 into 8 is equal to 1000. So just multiply 8 and 64, you will get the answer 512. Okay, the second question is, what is the value of this equation? Here we can cut 3 by 2 with 1 2 by 3. This one with the first one. Then here cube will be square. Now we write the equation as 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Since it is minus and whole square, so we can write plus 6 by 7 into 6 by 7 into minus 7 by 4. Okay, now cut 1 7 with this 7 and this 3 with 2. This one is with 2. This 2 with 4. Here we will get 4 minus 4 by 7, since here one minus is available. So the option will be C option is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. Dividing this number by 0 gives, which one will be the correct answer? Here option D is the correct answer, 3.44. We can write the number, this one is equal to 1161 by 625. If we divide this, then this will be like this, 100 by 54. Since it is 0.54, it will become 100 by 54. Now we can cut this one by 25. 25 into 25 is equal to 625, and here 25 into 4 is equal to 100. Okay, now divide by 2 and this one 27. Then by this 27 we can cut this one 43. Now it will become 86. 43 into 2 divided by 25. This is equal to 3.44. This is the answer. So option D is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. Find the value of the expression. We can write the expression by using the formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Then the expression will be, since it is in formula a plus b whole square and this one is a minus b whole square, so this will be easier to solve the expression. So we can write it as 4 into a plus b whole square. Since it is a square plus b square plus twice ab, so we can write it a plus b whole square minus under bracket 4 into this one we can write a minus b whole square. Okay, then minus b whole cube plus 4 into a minus 3. Now by putting the value a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 1, we can write it 4 into a plus b, that means 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 whole square minus 4 into here a minus b whole square. So here will be 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 square minus b is equal to 1, so minus 1 cube minus 4 into a minus 3, that means 3 minus 3, so it will be 0. No need to write this one. Okay, now this will be 4 into 4, 16 into 4, 64 minus 2 square is equal to 4 into 4, 16 minus here minus 1 cube, that means minus 1 into minus, that means plus 1. Okay, this is equal to 64 minus 17, that means 47. So here option D is the correct answer. Question number 65. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 13 cm long. If one of the remaining two sides is 5 cm in length, what is the length of the third side? Since it is a right angle triangle, so we can use the Pythagoras formula, let the length of the third side is equal to x. Then by using Pythagoras formula, we can write, since it is a hypotenuse, so we can write 13 is equal to 5 square plus since x square. This implies by squaring both sides, we can write 13 square is equal to 5 square plus x square. This is equal to x square is equal to 13 square is equal to 169 minus 5 square is equal to 25. That means 144. Since here it is x square, we have to find out the x. So x is equal to square root of 144. That means 12. Since we can write 144 is equal to 12 into 12. Okay, so the correct answer will be option A, 12 centimeter. If you get any confusion, then please comment below. Okay, come to the next question. The area of two circles are in the ratio 16:25. What is the ratio of their circumference? Here the ratio of area is 16:25. First of all, you have to know the area of a circle is equal to pi r square, and the circumference of a circle is equal to twice pi r. These formulas are very important. This one is for area and this one is for circumference. Now we can compare these two formula and we can find out the answer easily. Okay, let the radius of the circles are small r and capital R. The ratio of the area is given 16:25. That means pi r square is to pi capital R square is equal to 16:25. That means small r square by capital R square is equal to 4 by 5 whole square. We can write this in this way. So small r by r is equal to 4 by 5. Give this equation as equation number 1. Here we have to find out the ratio of the circumference. That means twice pi small r by twice pi capital R. We have to find out this. So this one is this one. Therefore small r by capital R is equal to what? We already get it, 4 by 5. So the correct answer will be option C, 4 by 5. Okay, question number 67. Minu bought two fans for the same price. She sold one at a loss of 5% and the other at a profit of 10%. If the selling price of both the fans in total was rest 2460, what was the cost price of each fan? Here we have to find CP. If the cost price is, here option A is the correct answer, 1200. I will show you how to find this. In the first case, 5% loss. So if the CP is 1200, then the loss will be 5%. So 5 by 100. This is equal to 12 into 5, 60 rupees. That means loss is equal to 60 rupees. And the profit will be 1200 into 10%. That means 120 rupees. So here we can see the loss is 60 and the profit is 120, and the total of profit is equal to 120 minus 60 is equal to 60 rupees. So the total selling price will be 1200 into 2 for 2 fans plus 60. This is equal to 2460 rupees. This one. So the correct answer will be option A, 1200 is the correct answer. Simplify twice x minus thrice y minus 2x minus y minus x. It's very easy. Just write the equation 2x minus under bracket 3y minus 2x minus y plus x, and this is equal to 2x minus 3y minus here 2x plus x, so 3x plus y. Okay, now 2x minus thrice y plus y, so 4y minus 3x. This is equal to twice x plus 3y, so 5x minus 4y. So option D is the correct answer, 5x minus y. Find the value of n in the equation 2 square whole to the power n 2 cube whole to the power 4. Here the base is same, that means 2. So we can write here 2 into n, that means twice n is equal to 3 into 4. From here we can find out the value of n is equal to 6. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, let's come to the next question. Question number 70. What should be added to xy minus thrice yz plus 4zx to get 4xy minus thrice zx plus 4yz plus 7? Here we have to subtract this from the first one, then we will get the answer. Okay, I will show you how to solve this. Here we have to subtract 4x, so here 4xy minus xy, that means 3xy, 4yz minus and minus plus, then 7yz, 3xy plus 7yz, then minus 7zx plus 7. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, let's come to the next question. Question number 71. The radius of a circle is 14 centimeter. What is the radius of the circle whose area is double the area of the circle? The first circle radius is 14 centimeter. Then we have to find out one which radius is double, that means 14 into 2. First of all, you have to know the formula for the area of a circle, pi r square. So if we directly multiply by 2, then the answer will be differ from original question. So here option A, 14 root 2 will be the correct answer, because when you square 14 root 2, then it will become 14 square into 2. So this will satisfy this equation. So option A is the correct answer. The next one, the base of an isosceles triangle is 12 centimeter and the perimeter is 32 centimeter. What is the area of the triangle? We know that the isosceles triangle, that means sides are equal. Let the equal sides are A and B, and the base is given 12 centimeters. Means this one is 12 centimeter, and the perimeter is given 32 centimeter. So we can find out A and B by the equation. 32 minus 12 is equal to 20. Since these two sides are same, so we have to divide by 2, then it will be 10 centimeter, these two sides. So that means the sides will be 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Now we can find out the area of the triangle by using the formula A is equal to square root of s into s minus a s minus b whole into s minus c, and here s will be the sides a plus b plus c by 2. S is equal to, so here since perimeter is 32, so the s will be 32 by 2, this is equal to 16. Okay, we now get these two sides 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Now we can find out by using the formula area is equal to A is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. S is equal to summation of the three sides divided by 2, that means perimeter by 2. Here perimeter is given 32 by 2, this means 16. Okay, just put the values here and you will get the answer. As equal to 16 into 16 minus 10 into 16 minus 10 into 16 minus 12. This is equal to 16 into 6 into 6 into 12. 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. So since it is square root, so we can write 16 means 4 into here 2 6 are in multiplied, so we can write 1, and from 4 we can write 2. This means 4 into 6 into 2, this is equal to 48 centimeter square. So option C is the correct answer. 73rd question is, Mr. Sharma deposited Rs 20,000 as a fixed deposit in a bank at 10% interest per annum. If 30% is deducted as income tax on the interest earned, what is the annual income from the fixed deposit? Here the fixed deposit is 20%, so we have to find out 10% interest, then this will be 20,000. 10 by 100, this is equal to 2,000. It is his total profit, but he have to pay income tax on it an amount of 30%. So we have to deduct from here 30% of 2,000. That means 2,000 into 30 by 100. This is equal to 600. So his total income is 2000 minus 600 is equal to 1400. So here option D is the correct answer. Okay, let's come to the next question. A vendor parts 40 dozen bananas for rest 1250. Out of these 30 bananas were rotten and could not be sold. At what rate per dozen should he sell the remaining bananas to make a profit of 20%? Here the correct answer will be option D, 38. Option B and C cannot be his answer. You can directly find out it because here the vendor make a profit of 20%. So his cost price will be 1250 by 40 dozen. Then we will get 31.25. So the answer could not be less than 31.25. Okay, come to the next question. Okay, question number 75 is, in an examination 94% of the candidates passed and 114 failed. How many candidates appeared? We have to find out the total students appears in the examination. Here 94% of the candidates pass. That means if 94% pass, that means 6% failed in the examination. So 6% is equal to how much? Here it is given 114. If 6% is equal to 114, then 1% will be 114 by 6 and 100% will be into 100, 114 by 6 into 100. Now simply divide it, you will get the answer. 6 into 1, 9, 19 into 100, 1900 is the correct answer. So here option C is the correct answer. Next one, the first three terms of a proportion are 3, 5 and 21 respectively. What is the fourth term? Here three terms are given, 3, 5 and 21. Let the fourth one is x. Then we can write 3 by 5 is equal to 21 by x. According to the proportionality, product of means is equal to product of extreme. So we can write it in this way. Okay, now by cross multiplication we can find out the answer easily. X thrice x is equal to 21 into 5. Therefore x is equal to 21 into 5 by 3. This is 7, so 7 into 5, 35 is the correct answer. Option B. The next one is, what should be subtracted from 3 cube minus 4a square plus 5a minus 6 to obtain a square minus twice a plus 1? What should be subtracted from this to obtain this? Simply minus the second term from the first and we will get the answer. I'll show you. We have to minus this thing from this one. Just write here a square minus 2a plus 1 and subtract from the first one. Then it will be minus 7. Here it will be minus 7a and here 5a square and a cube. That means a cube minus 5a square minus 7a minus 7. That means option B is the correct answer. Okay, let's come to the next question. The arithmetic mean of 10 numbers is equal to 20. If 5 is subtracted from every number, what will be the new mean? Here mean of 10 number is equal to 20. It is given. So the sum of the 10 numbers will be 10 into 20. 10 into 20, that means 200. Okay, if we subtract 5 from each number, then the sum will be 200 minus 10 numbers, so 10 into 5. that means 50 and 150. 200 minus 50, so 150. Now the new mean will be 150 upon 10, so 15 is the new mean. So option B is the correct answer. Come to the next question. The circumference of a circle is 44 centimeter. What is its area? Circumference, the formula of circumference is equal to twice pi r. That means twice pi r is equal to 44. Here we have to find out r, then we can very easily find out the area. Here r will be 44 into the value of pi, here 1 by pi, so 7 by 22 and into 2. From here it will come. Okay, now it will be 22 to 2, so r is equal to 7. Okay, the area of a circle is equal to pi r square. So pi is equal to 22 by 7 into r square, that means 7 into 7. Cut 1 7 and we will get the answer 7 into 22, that means 154. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 80. A rhombus having side of 13 cm length has a diagonal of 24 cm. What is its area? We know the area of a rhombus is equal to half of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Here only one diagonal is given, so we have to find out the second diagonal and then we will get the answer. Now how to find, I will show you. Simply draw a rhombus A, B, C, D, and its sides are given 13 centimeter and one diagonal is given 24 centimeter, and we have to find out the another 24. So here it will be 12 and here it will be 12. Okay, and this angle is 90 degree. So from the triangle OAB, this one is OAB, will get OA square is equal to 13 square minus 12 square. By using Pythagoras formula we will get this, and this will be OA is equal to square root of 13 square minus 12 square. This is equal to 169 minus 144 is equal to square root of 25 is equal to 5. Here now put this value, the first formula, half into d1 is given 24 and d2 will be, here we get the 5, but since it is only one side, the another side will be also 5, so into 10. 2 into 5, that means 10. Now we will get the answer 2 into 5, 5 into 24 is equal to 120. Option A is the correct answer. Half into one diagonal is 24 and another diagonal 5 into 2, that means 10. So from here we get 120. Okay.